Britain's Tewkesbury Abbey was surrounded by water, drone footage showed on Monday, January 8th, after flooding swept across large areas of England and Wales last week. Major rivers across Britain were flooded on Friday, January 5th, after heavy rain, with the government issuing more than 300 flood warnings, travel operators announcing serious disruption, and around 1,000 homes suffering damage. A succession of storms in recent weeks meant prolonged rainfall that started on Thursday, January 4th, fell on saturated ground and quickly caused already swollen rivers and waterways to burst their banks across England and Wales. Britain's leader of the opposition Labour Party, Keir Starmer, spoke of the huge human impact of flooding during a visit to Loughborough. Starmer visited a water-damaged home in the English town on Monday.
I've been here talking to residents about the awful impact that flooding has had on them. Damp, water gets everywhere, it's not clean water, it's having a huge human impact on them. This isn't the first time I've been out to talk to residents in this situation. We've got to get ahead of this.